Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Chidiade Emmanuel Ahwama and I am from Nigeria. In this video, I want to bring to your knowledge the processes and working principles of some of the equipments that are used in edible oil production. Edible oil is any oil that is used for cooking. It is an important part of many dishes that are consumed around the world today. And hear this, because of the continuous growth in the global population, the demand for edible oil is increasing. Countries like Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, Colombia, and Nigeria are the largest producers of edible oil in the world today. Are you a student? Do you want to get involved in the edible oil industry? Do you want to have a knowledge of what happens in the edible oil industry? Come with me. This video is for you. Now, how is edible oil produced? What raw materials do we get edible oil from? We have the groundnut, the palm kernel, the soya beans, the melon, the coconut, the sunflower, and the cotton seed. And hear this, a particular raw material that is used depends on the region or the country. Like in Africa, the palm oil, the palm kernel, and the soya beans are widely used, while in Europe, the sunflower is used and the cotton seed also. So these are the raw materials that are used in edible oil production. Groundnut, palm kernel, soya beans, melon, coconut, cotton seed, they are known as oil seeds. Now, what are the processes involved in this? We have crushing, we have the crude oil extraction, we have degumming, we have bleaching, and we have deodorization. Crushing is a process of breaking the oil seed into smaller pieces to enable the extraction of the oil from the seeds. Now, for crude oil extraction, it could be mechanical, using pressers or expellers, and also it could be chemical, using chemical solvents. The oil from crushing and the oil extracted mechanically or chemically, they are known as the crude oil. Here the oil is not edible yet. For the oil to be edible, it has to be refined. And refining involves degumming, bleaching, and deodorization. In degumming is a process whereby the structure of the gum, phosphatides contained in the oil, is being altered to enable the gums to be removed during bleaching. Now, after degumming, we have bleaching. In degumming, the phosphoric acid is used in altering the structure of these phosphatides that are contained in the oil. After degumming, the next process is bleaching. Bleaching involves the removal of coloring matter, traces of soap, and other impurities that are contained in the oil. Then after the bleaching, we have deodorization. This is the final process in edible oil production. Do not be in a hurry. We are going to take these processes one after the other, from crushing to crude oil extraction, from crude oil extraction to degumming, from degumming to bleaching, from bleaching to deodorization. Now, in our subsequent videos, we will come across some acronyms that are used in the edible oil production industry. We have the RBDO, the refined bleached deodorized oil. This RBDO is the final oil after the process of deodorization. Now we have the CPKO, the crude palm kernel oil. Just like I said earlier, this crude palm kernel oil is gotten during the oil extraction either mechanically or chemically. Also the CSO, the crude soya oil. FFA, free fatty acids. DFA, distilled fatty acids. FAD, fatty acids distillate. DOC, the oiled cake. PKC, palm kernel cake. SBM, soybean meal. SEP, solvent extraction plant. Then PLF, pressure leaf filter. And the other acronyms also that are not mentioned here but will be mentioned in our subsequent videos. Thank you for your time. See you in the next